Magandang araw kung saan man kayo nanonood sa video na to. This is my second video. What I would like to talk about today is about personal development. So, sabi sa Wikipedia, personal development or self-improvement consists of activities that develop a person's capabilities and potential, build human capital, facilitate employability, enhance quality of life, and facilitate the realization of dreams and aspirations. No? So, ayun. So, talking about dreams of aspirations, I think doon na simula yun. I was exposed to this personal development 4 years ago. Simula when I was introduced to this company and we were doing this business. So, part of the early trainings, hindi naman requirement, but it is recommended that you really have to undergo or develop yung personality mo. Kasi, syempre, you will be dealing with people. You will become a leader eventually, if you want to. So, again, choice natin, di ba, yung mga ganong bagay. So, yun, when it was first introduced to me, I really appreciate it and learned to embrace it from then. And then, yun, one thing leads to another, and what was also the reason na why siguro I'm doing this thing ngayon, no? So kasi before hindi ko kayang gawin yung mga ito, yung nagsasalita sa camera. I'm a filmmaker, I'm a director, I'm a cinematographer, sanay lang ako sa likod ng camera, but ngayon until now it's still uncomfortable for me doing this, pero yun, medyo may mga bagay na kailangan nating i-develop talaga sa sarili natin kung meron tayong gustong abutin. So, yun, because of some, yun nga, dreams and aspirations na kailangan ng personal development, I really immersed myself, no? Starting, yun nga, few years ago or 4 years ago to be exact. Ayun. So, yun, but very important kasi dyan, it will start with a decision. Kasi kung hindi ka, available naman itong mga material and lahat naman siguro tayo exposed sa ganito, no? Every day, but kung hindi ka decided talaga of really doing it, hindi mo rin talaga ipupursue. So, yan, I will share to you some materials na yung mga unang materials kung saan nag-inspire sa akin na gawin ito, yung mga audio materials, audiobook or books. So, I will share it in the description or show note. But again, if you wanted to achieve something, at ako na-realize ko na yung mga ways ko, yung mga character ko that time, hindi angkop doon sa tao na gusto kong maging or ambition na gusto kong maging. So, really, I decided to change. And sabi nga nila, if you don't change, nothing will change. Diba? Siyempre, I realize na ilang taon na ba ako, so bakit nandito ako at hindi ko pa rin naaabot ang gusto ko? So, ibig sabihin na yung ginagawa ko, hindi something na hindi aligned patungo doon sa gusto ko. So, yun na nga sabi nga nila, ang definition ng insanity repeating, doing something all over again and expecting the same result, expecting a different result. So yun nga, so kung nasa certain age ka na and hindi pa rin hindi pa rin nagbabago yung isang aspeto ng buhay mo, ibig sabihin may mali doon sa ginagawa mo. So kailangan mong baguhin. And kung hindi ka open to change, andali lang i-predict ang buhay mo. Siguro sabihin nila after 5 years, 10 years, doon ka pa rin, same ka pa rin. But yun nga, kung hindi ka aware doon, mag-expect ka na magbabago at ma-achieve mo yun, pero wala kang binago sa sarili mo. So, you're just basically wasting time, no? So, yun. So, I think, yun ang tulak sa akin na really, kasi before, mahirap talaga ang hirap talaga baguhin ang sarili natin, di ba? Kasi, kumbaga, sabi nga, naalala ko dati ang sabi ng daddy ko, kung gusto niyo akong baguhin, ipanganak niyo ako ulit. Parang ganon. So, actually, yun din nagtatak sa utak ko. But, yun nga, nung na-realize ko, hindi pwede. Kasi, may gusto akong abutin eh. So, ang mga ginagawa ko, ways, ang mga belief ko, hindi siya aligned, no, doon sa bagay nga gusto kong ma-achieve. So, I decided to change. So, yun. Again, it will start on a decision, no. So, I decided to change. And it's a continuous journey, no? So talagang hindi matatapos ito, and I'm committed to doing this until the end, no? So ayun, so yun lang ang masishare ko about personal development. And kung kayo din, there is something you want to achieve and at a certain point or at this point of your life, hindi mo pa nagagawa yun or hindi mo pa rin na-achieve kahit anong gawin mo, paulit-ulit ka lang. I think it is time to really think about it and reflect and really decide, make a decision na ibahin kung ano man yung mga limiting belief or kung ano man yung mga hindrances, and really start on developing a new self, a new you. So, yun. Maraming salamat. I hope kung nagustuhan nyo, like, subscribe, follow me kung saan nyo man mapapanood ito, and share. You can share it sa mga kaibigan nyo na siguro naghahanap din ng mga ganito. So, again, I'm not an expert on this. I'm just sharing everything that I've learned, para maano ko rin talagang ma-learn ko talaga, no? So learning through teaching. So maraming salamat, and have a nice day or night sa inyo lahat. Thank you.